Hi everyone, I hope all is well. Welcome in 2020. I'm doing a lot of shop upgrades and I thought it might be nice to do a little shop tour. So when I came in here, everything was empty. There was a lot of dust. It was an open hall. And then in winter I got a lot of snow over my tools, which was actually, well, it was terrible. So I've been doing a lot of upgrades well, let's show you what happened. So one of the main things is that there is now a roof in here and also in the other room. So this is the dirty room and I also have a clean room. Having the roof is such an enormous advantage. I had a lot of dust from the ceiling. It's a very old building, very old ceiling. It wasn't very healthy, and also had like birds who flew in. And so I couldn't keep up with that, cleaning that stuff. So that was one of the main things. There is a roof in there, and along with the roof there is a lot of light. So I actually have a lot of light on all my workspaces, very equal. And sometimes when I need more light, I have more light. Well, first do a little tour in the clean room. Because here is a lot of stuff. So that's actually the entrance. You come in. New power board. This is interesting. This is a 3D printer. You know, everyone has one, but you need to have one in your shop, and I'll show you why in a minute. There's actually the heat treating oven, making it more warm in winter, which is nice. Lathe, you know, you have to have one as well. This one's crappy. Would like to have a new one, but don't use that much. Here's the Tormek sharpening system, which is awesome because I hate sharpening knives. It takes too much time. This is the Ashera F3. I did a nice video on it on the restoration. It's a really nice mill, really sturdy. But now that I'm playing with the CNC, I use it less. But I also know what to upgrade because it's quite old. But a very sturdy machine. This is, well, really nice. It's also the reason why you need a 3D printer, printing boards like this and for all your files. It's really so clean and easy to clean up. You know, you automatically put your tools back. And yeah, then I have these boards with the paper, the tapes. You know, all your tools, you need to wire them up. It's a new workbench. Generally use it for final assembly. Then I have a closet with all kinds of, you know, boxes, masks, ear protection, folding parts, handle material, blanks, heat treatment stuff, you know, to keep everything nice and sorted. And this is well, one of the new CNC machines this year. So this is actually a laser. It's called Galadriel because, you know, mirrors of Galadriel. But it's a K40 laser. Works fine, needs some upgrades. So I have like this belt chain for the air assist. Got it working and really happy with results. So, you know, that's the first part. Also in the clean room I have like this desk. I usually use it for gluing up, so I have like glue and scales, acetone for the greasing. That's my anodizing bath, anodizing pre-etch, variac with you know, for anodizing, ultrasonic cleaner, also nice addition. Yeah, not that much. This is my order board. So as you can see, I'm now 16 knives behind. But yeah, order board. Anything more I need to show here? No, I don't think so. These are project bins as well, along with the laptop. So I have like this is for a friend. Needs to be reground. It needs to be added logo, you know, and you can put them on like that. Keep them nice and stored. Have a clean desk, although that never ever works, but laptop, and the laptop drives the Workbee CNC. So this is actually a really really a game changer. If you're making fixed blades, you don't need the sturdy CNC mill, I suppose. I think you can do it like my oyster knives, make the handles with CNC, get them very close to shape, and then match them to the hand ground, hand cut blades. But yeah, the CNC is working fine. And I've also got it working with the spindle and the controller board, so the vacuum goes on, spindle goes on, you can control it. This is a nice addition. This is a automatic fire extinguisher, so I can do it lights out machining. And to ease my paranoia, I'll be installing a webcam that I can hook it up to, and then I can show it on remote. That would be a nice addition. So this is well, the clean part. Here is mostly anodizing, gluing, CNCing, or making chips, stuff like that. But then I also have a dirty part, which I put in the roof this week. So this is actually my girlfriend's desk. That's a sawing table, but now I use it for final assembly for part picking for a really large order, 20 pieces. This is actually quite fun. This is a scratch card. I got it from my girlfriend, and I can scratch where I shipped orders to. So I need to do some research in my finance and invoices. But it's really nice because I ship out so much stuff. This year I was to like Latvia, Hong Kong, Japan, Australia, and it's nice to keep track of where your stuff is around the world. See a bit of a spread. So I had a lot of continents already. I still need South America and Africa, so I don't know if they have oysters there, but who knows. Well, yeah, this is the compressor. It sucks, needs to be replaced this year. It's a bit of a project that's not making any progress. Then here I have my grinding belts, grinding jig, paper, grinding belts for the smaller grinder. Then I have my belt grinder, which I really love. Took some tinkering, but yeah, with the internal dust suction, it's great. And also with the water, it really helps keep the blade cool. Really awesome. And now also with more light with a 3D printed holder. Like I said, you really need a 3D printer. Arbor wheel, Scotch-Brite, Sandblasting cabinet. Here are some smaller grinders. I use them for, well, the small one has a Scotch-Brite wheel. I always use it for my handle pins, and that's the only thing it ever does. The one on the right, don't use it that much. Bandsaw. Then here, tempering oven, storage. This is actually my Dremel and polishing desk. So this is where I spend all the hours hand sanding. Then I have a drill press. One final thing to show, I suppose, well, on the workbench, is this. It's the stock board. So now I have a couple of different knives, and then I have accommodating parts as well. So let's say, well, let's go to the Yakomina knife. Then I want to have some boxes on stock. So if I run out, then that one goes back to, well, there. And then I need to order material, saw it, CNC it, oil it, finish it up. Then it's on stock. And then I have a minimal level, because when I come in the morning, I want to come in, look at the board, and then I'll be like, okay, what's this? And then that's what the CNC machine is going to make. I usually use like tape, glue tape. I have my blanks sawed to size. I can put it in, start a code, and then, you know, work everything back up, that I have some stock, and not that I can't run the CNC because I don't have the material, or I can't glue enough because I don't have the handle ready. You know, that's delay. And in this new nice workshop I can get rid of a lot of delays. So, well, I hope you enjoyed it, and have a nice 2020 and beyond. Thank you. Bye.